Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Yes, it is a very magandang gabi. Tingnan nyo sa labas, di ba? Ang ganda ng Manila pag sa gabi. Nakasuot po ako ng ganito dahil naglaro ako kanina ng basketball. Kasi sumali ako sa isang basketball na liga dito sa Manila. Kaso kanina, nasa bench lang ako sa buong game. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-basketball eh. Di ba Dwaine ang pangalan ko? Dwaine Wade. Alam niyo ba actually na may commercial ako na kung saan basketball player ako. At ako ang nag-defend kay Mark Pingris mismo. Noong nag-shoot kami ng scene na yan, nagsablay si Mark Pingris ng 3 beses dahil akong nagdi-defend. Pero itong vlog na to, hindi siya tungkol sa basketball, kundi tungkol kay Shanta. Shanta, say hello. Say hello. Shanta has lost her voice.
There you see her, sitting there across the way.
She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And I don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. She cannot speak. Hindi siya, ano?
I can speak!
What? Ano?
I can speak! It's just that my voice is high because if I do it like this low, it's painful. And this is my normal voice. But it's different today because I got sick.
Nagpapabebe ka lang ata, bebe. Nagpapabebe si Shanta ata dahil gusto na niyang magkabebe. Ang cute ni Shanta, no? Basta paas siya, no? Ang cute mo, baby. Alam niyo, Shanta has like these pabebe phrases that are my favorite phrases that she says when nagpapabebe siya. Like this one here.
But then you change your mind.
You should say it now that you're paos, bebe. You change your mind. Go, bebe.
What do you change your mind?
Ito pa, baby. Ito pa, nung sumakay tayo ng, ng motorbike.
Baby, makarangit!
Hey, baby, makarangit. Go.
Hey, baby, makarangit!
My favorite cover of yours is the Beauty and the Beast cover. You know that one? The one that you uploaded to your Facebook ages ago before I even met you.
He's almost sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and refined. But now he's dear and so unsure. I wonder why I didn't see that before.
Can you sing that now that you're paos, bebe? We have the backing track, diba?
He's almost sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and unrefined. But now he's dear and so unsure. I wonder why I didn't see that before.
She glanced this way. I thought I saw. If you guys want to hear Shanta's cover songs that she's done, I'll link them in the description below. Shanta has a YouTube channel as well, and she uploads more than I do actually.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y
Parang matanda talaga.
if you wanna hear me sing when I'm not sick, you go to my channel or you can click the link below. Dwayne's gonna put the link to my covers and yeah,
Your
you can
voice
listen
is
to
so funny, babe.
Do you want me to talk like this? It's so painful down here.
Just try and speak normal.
This is my normal voice.
Dati-dati sabay pa natin pinangarap ang lahat. Umaamoy pa sa hangin, amoy araw ang balat. Naalala ko pa noon, nagagawan ng Nintendo. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang ating kwento.
Lagi-lagi ka sa akin, diretso ka rin. Ang liit na tao, piso-piso na
Right, everybody, that is it for our quick update tonight. Shanta is paos pa more. When do you reckon you'll get your voice back, Bebe?
Maybe a week.
A week?
'Cause
1 week?
sometimes, so right now I have this voice, but sometimes like it will go like this.
Hello! Salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood sa mga video namin ni Shanta. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do smash that subscribe button. And if you need a host for a wedding, hit Shanta and I up. Yun lang kasi ang product natin, Bebe, no? Hosting. Wala tayong merchandise. Wala tayong clothing line. Dapat gawa tayo ng clothing line na Duanta, no? Duanta clothing line, no? We can sell like couple t-shirts, couple mugs, couple bags. Talonin natin ang Hermes.
Magandang gabi, bayan.
Wow!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.